Agents are the new apps. And we expect someday for there to be thousands of agents available. We want 1,000 agents to bloom.
So I think we're going to live in a world where there are going to be hundreds of millions and billions of different AI agents. Eventually, probably more AI agents than there are people in the world.
Have you ever felt overwhelmed by all the buzz around AI agents, but have no idea what they actually are or how they could change your life? You're not alone. Did you know that by 2025, over 75% of businesses will use AI agents to automate tasks and enhance decision-making? And here's the kicker. AI agents are already influencing your daily life, whether you realize it or not. Today, we're diving into this mind-blowing technology to uncover what AI agents are and how they're shaping the future of humanity. Welcome back to AI Unlocked HQ, where we explore the latest in artificial intelligence and how it's shaping our world. Today, we're talking about AI agents, the cutting-edge technology that's transforming industries and becoming an integral part of our daily lives. But what exactly are AI agents, and why should you care? AI agents are systems powered by artificial intelligence that can perform tasks autonomously, learn from data, and make decisions. Think of them as digital assistants that can analyze information, predict outcomes, and take actions based on what they've learned. From Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars and customer service chatbots, AI agents are everywhere. But here's the exciting part. They're not just tools for convenience. AI agents are revolutionizing industries like healthcare, finance, and transportation. They're helping doctors diagnose diseases faster, enabling businesses to make data-driven decisions, and even powering autonomous vehicles that could one day eliminate traffic accidents. The possibilities are endless. Despite their growing presence, AI agents are often misunderstood. Many people fear they'll take over jobs, while others believe they're too limited to truly make a difference. But the truth lies somewhere in between. Let's break down some of these misconceptions. One major concern is job automation. AI agents can handle repetitive tasks like data entry or customer support, which raises fears of mass unemployment. But here's the flip side. New jobs are being created in fields like AI development, ethical oversight, and machine learning engineering. The key is adapting to this shift. Another challenge is the ethical implications of AI agents. How do we ensure they make unbiased decisions? And what about data privacy? With AI agents analyzing massive amounts of personal data, it's crucial to establish safeguards to protect users. Finally, there's the fear of losing control. As AI agents become more advanced, some worry they could act unpredictably or even pose a threat. While these concerns are valid, they highlight the need for responsible development and regulation of AI technology. Now, let's dive deeper into how AI agents work and the different types you'll encounter. AI agents are designed to analyze data, learn from patterns, and make decisions, all without human intervention. But not all AI agents are created equal. Here are the three main types you should know about. First, we have virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. These AI agents use natural language processing to understand your commands and provide helpful responses. For example, you can ask Siri to set a reminder for an important meeting or Alexa to control your smart home devices. They're designed to make your life easier by automating everyday tasks. Next, chatbots are widely used in customer service and e-commerce. They can answer questions, resolve issues, and even recommend products. One standout example is ChatGPT, which uses advanced AI to hold human-like conversations. Businesses are using chatbots to provide 24/7 support and improve customer satisfaction. Finally, we have autonomous systems like self-driving cars and drones. These AI agents rely on machine learning and real-time data to navigate the world and make decisions without human input. For instance, Tesla's self-driving technology analyzes road conditions, predicts traffic patterns, and ensures safe navigation. These systems are revolutionizing transportation and logistics. Applications of AI agents span across industries, from healthcare, where they assist in diagnosing diseases, to education, where they provide personalized learning experiences. The potential applications are as diverse as they are impactful. To truly understand the potential of AI agents, let's look at some groundbreaking examples examples. OpenAI's ChatGPT has revolutionized how we interact with technology, enabling tasks like drafting emails, writing code, and even creating art. Imagine having an AI assistant that can help you brainstorm ideas or write an entire blog post in minutes. Another example is Tesla's self-driving technology. By combining AI agents with cutting-edge sensors and cameras, Tesla has created vehicles that can navigate complex traffic scenarios with incredible precision. These breakthroughs show how AI agents are not just tools, they're collaborators that can elevate human capabilities. But with great power comes great responsibility. As AI agents become more advanced, we must address ethical concerns like bias in algorithms and ensure transparency in their decision-making processes. The future of AI agents depends on how responsibly we develop and use them. So, what have we learned today? AI agents are autonomous systems powered by artificial intelligence, designed to make decisions, automate tasks, and enhance human productivity. They're transforming industries like healthcare, finance, and transportation, and reshaping our daily lives. While challenges like ethics and privacy remain, the potential of AI agents to revolutionize the way we live and work is undeniable. The question is not whether AI agents will shape our future, but how we'll choose to use them. What do you think about AI agents? Are they the future of humanity or a potential threat? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of AI. And check out our next video on the top free AI tools you can use today.